Their radicalism is not only bleeding into culture, but also into governance. And you, as a free citizen in this country, this is where you're going to be able to fight back if you vote in the right people so we can get rid of these clowns. So AOC, who is a congresswoman, she is a complete, she is what she is, okay? And I will give her credit in that she has somehow become a media darling, right? She may be an idiot. She may have no qualifications to do this, but she is someone that people pay attention to. I believe at this point she is in her a complete violation of her oath of office, as most Democrats are at this point. I don't know that anything can be done about that, but these people, they swear to defend the Constitution of the United States, and yet the Democrats spend most of their time trying to shred the Constitution, much like Nancy Pelosi. Remember when she shred the papers behind Donald Trump after that State of the Union? That's what they mostly do. Most of what the Democrats talk about is how to destroy the Constitution. Here's AOC.
I personally believe that Clarence Thomas should be impeached beyond a shadow of a doubt. I am astonished that this is a position that is in any way controversial to anyone. The degree and extent of misconduct that Clarence Thomas alone, in addition to several of his colleagues have participated and engaged in, is foundationally delegitimizing to the Supreme Court. And it is our responsibility, our constitutional duty to rein them in.
So nothing she said there has any meaning whatsoever. Notice she didn't get into any of the legal arguments that Clarence Thomas made or Samuel Alito made or anyone else made. It's just her feelings about this. She's not happy with his decisions and she should impeach him. Or she should pack the court so that the court can no longer function. So the court will act as a branch of the legislative branch. You understand that? So she is just a complete buffoon, but but the media loves it. The media loves an assault on all of the systems. The media loves watching our institutions burn, and the Democrats love watching the institutions burn, because without a system of checks and balances, if we didn't have a judicial branch that could look at what the legislative branch is doing, and an executive branch that could sign things into laws, and that these things could all fight it out and argue over each other, if we could actually destroy that, if AOC could do what she wants, impeach judges who don't make decisions the way she wants them to, or pack courts so that the branch itself cannot operate as an independent branch of government, but just as sort of this like secondary legislative branch, then what would happen? Well, you'd have one power that would control everything. That's all progressives want. You have to forget the gender nonsense and critical race theory and all of those things. They're important to talk about. They're important to identify. But what does it all lead to? It all leads to their power, more and more power for them.
If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be sure to see similar videos from BlazeTV, with the added bonus of signaling YouTube that your voice and opinion still matters. And if you're looking for more great conservative content, check out one of the 2 videos suggested here.